Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We're back in the music club with another video, and guys, and you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah man, we have a dope collab that I was not expecting. Yo, I saw them in Skilly Bang's new video 16 them, but I wasn't expecting this collab anytime soon. But I'm gonna get into that just before that, guys. You don't know, I gotta check in with you guys. How y'all doing today, man? How y'all doing? You been taking care of yourself? How's your mental health? Have you been drinking water? Have you been staying prayed up? Have you been taking steps to get towards your goals and your dreams? Have you been staying on your purpose lately? Let me know in the comment section, guys, and don't lie. Let me know what you've been doing to, make your life better and take steps towards your goal and dreams. Let me know in the comment section. Don't lie, and let me know if you've been staying prayed up, man. You don't know. Gotta keep God in your life, or whatever you believe in your life, so you can move forward in the world. Like, you don't know, you only have one life to live, so let's make the most of it. But yeah man, guys, we see what we are dealing with today. We have a dope track from these two artists. Yeah, these two artists are dope individually, but I wasn't expecting for them to collab, at least not this soon. The last time I saw both of these artists together was in actually I've seen them in each other's videos, like, background shots and backdrops like that, but I haven't seen them collab, and that's dope. But last time I saw them was Skilly Bang 16 them, and I was like, yo, they're not Skilly Bang camp or something. But yeah man, who I'm talking about today, guys, if you're not realized by now, I'm talking about A-Milli and RajahWild. Okay, they drop a new song and a video today entitled Caribbean. So I'll check it out and see what go on. They don't know A-Milli and RajahWild, two new up and coming dancehall artists that have a little buzz, man. They have their own buzz, their own genre, their own style, their own fan base, and they've been doing pretty well. You know what I'm saying? So I'm interested to see how the two of them come together and and collab on the track. What's the subject matter about? But the entire Caribbean, so I'm expecting it to be something about the Caribbean, or actually Caribbean people in some form. So yeah man, so hopefully they did their thing on this track. Yeah man, two dope artists. Yeah, see me and them a do collab. I like how the new generation of dancehall and dancehall overall, more collabs is coming. So I liking this. But these two young artists have their own little buzz and they might come together. Maybe they might try to do you see, you have this King and Craft, you have the Massacre and Jashi, you have the, you know what I'm saying? So I guess they're trying to do the whole new thing. You know what I'm saying? Me really like this. Is A-Milli and RajahWild. So we're gonna check it out and see what go on. But yeah man, guys, before jumping on the track, if you're new to the channel, take this time to go ahead and like and subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so you get the videos as soon as I upload them. You see it, I'll be a vibes and energy over here. So trust me, I miss out on this. You see me? The gang is lit, the family is lit, we having great energy and everything, reacting to good music. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. You want to be a part of this. So hit that like and subscribe button and join the family, man. You know what I'm saying? Unless you lame, unless you're a waste man, then you can't go on. We don't want you over here. So, you see me? Yeah man, guys. But yeah man, we're jumping on the track, yeah man. Me very interested to see what go on. You see me? Me like this. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna roll up the vibes, song. This is A-Milli, Caribbean featuring RajahWild. Let's get it.
Is that Carter?
Easy, no? I was gonna say something a while ago, but you know what I'm saying?
A girl there's a favor man, a 15 island, give me Caribbean, couple bang Antoine.
Easy, no, mama. Cheese and peas, these no mama. Yeah, mama natural too, I like little breast girl, I have some big body dog. Real talk, man. Easy.
No man, true religion, girl a fucking at the synagogue. Puerto Rican girl love.
Darling, love it thick as them.
Forget the bag.
Man say enough gal are there for every man I want to.
Guadeloupe take your soul now, get the set. Been second girl love man away for your shot. Me run flat in her mouth and I got girl.
So that I talk about Caribbean girl them, you know what I mean, man? Easy, Yeah man, we love Caribbean girls, you know that already. You know the Caribbean man they said different. You see?
To one time that bad that skill Trinidad pop Mali to be a go at Ville Chacha been a Jack Jill before she got
say what to be a good for Molly Trinidad Advil. Bomba.
Bang a God church, what a million future.
Damn, boy, yo. No, sir. Come on, man. We love those. We love those.
Million future, Spanish translator, me have a Cuba. She want fuck with a youth, yeah. Me barefoot in her hole like motor.
She want fuck with a youth, yeah. Me barefoot in her hole like motor, easy. Hey, Billy, you wildin', my nigga.
Oh, girl, they are so favorite, man. 15 island, give me Caribbean couple more.
Girl, they are for every man. 15 island, night Caribbean. I say.
Bang Antoine, no, I see no man. True religion, girl, I fucking at the synagogue. Puerto Rican, girl, no for.
True religion, girl, I fucking at the synagogue. Ease yourself, you know, I really die, yeah. I don't miss some people, I say so, you see me?
Get it back, oh Guadalupe, take your soul now. Get the St. Vincent, girl, love man, oh yeah, for your shot. Me run flat in her mouth, and I can't man, girl.
St. Vincent, girl, love man, we are fire shot. Guadalupe, girl, take your soul and I get it back. Hey, easy, man. Hey, me Tommy there, what you mean?
Let the beer go and tell me she wants suck it cocky every day. Pretty rich mouth bang a fly down France, Spain. Now wing lock down a clutch a girl in the States.
Easy
And
enough.
she send me in the beats by crate every day.
Easy the man, yeah. Hey, Billy out here, me J with you, hey.
Change girl me if you meet my fate. Have a girl over Dominica love sweet. You fuck me up, you tell me say she might feel.
Nigga have to bring back the dopey. You have to bring back say me have a Dominican girl. Fake your fuck me dopey tell him. Dopey tell him.
Kate every top slut.
Bumbo class, slap that dog. Slap that. Don't walk past that without slapping that my youth. What me say? Slap that. I mean if you walk past that and slap that dog, something up. Something wrong with you. You see?
In island, give me Caribbean link. Bang Anton, no, I see no man. True religion, girl, a chopper, not the synagogue. Puerto Rican, girl, no, forget the bag. Ratty, take a girl, you know, you know, get the
Puerto Rican girl, no, forget the bag. Easy,
bag.
man.
Me run flat in your mouth, and I tired of.
So me run flat in your mouth and I tire that. Easy that, hey. Easy yourself, like, you're a Mali. Hey, Emily, you're a Mali have some of the best face and mouth sayings when it come to the girl, the big man thing, you know.
I'm a Guyanese girl pop bill. Do one time that bad that skill. Trinidad pop Mali to be a go at Bills. And I been a Jack Jill before she got ill. I'm up bang I got church but a million future. Spanish translator me
Up bang I got church but million of the future, you know.
for Cuba. She want fuck with a youth.
And the girl they refer to as mukbanger because they name and you can like mukbang with up video too. And that's all right, easy.
Yo, fuck shit music. Yo, ratty. Oh, alien man, I don't know.
Hey, yo, Emily, stop with the mask since one ski mask come out and do the thing there. I see notice the Emily left the mask. Yeah, man, one ski mask, Steve Emily style still not like.
Hakuna Matata.
Shit, right, this man. They do them thing. Caribbean girls, man, talk about. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, no love for Caribbean women. Yeah, man. Hey, Millie, RajahWild, big up on your damn self, me G, me like that one day. You see me? Yeah, but I see from the title you see that say Caribbean. I know say I go talk about the Caribbean and Caribbean people. I know say Caribbean girls don't go talk about specifically. Yeah, man, we love that. You don't know we love Caribbean women. Caribbean women are just different, man. You know what I'm saying? They talk about everything, man. Talk about Trinidad, St. Vincent, St. Kitts. You man talk about Puerto Rico. You man talk about Guadalupe. You man talk about a lot of stuff, man. You know, talk about all our Caribbean islands, our Caribbean family. You know what I'm saying? I love that. We love Caribbean women. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, if you're new, let me know what you think about that one. If you like, let me know what's your favorite part. What's the lyrics, the melodies, the beat, the visuals, you know what I'm saying, the girls. Let me know what's your favorite part. And if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco done send you. Yeah, man, you know what time it is, man. You don't know, man. We're going strong over here, guys. I appreciate the love and support y'all been showing me. Continue hit that like button, continue hitting that subscribe button, continue sending those requests. You know what I'm saying? And I'll definitely get it done. And you know you guys gonna get your shout out already. You're gonna see your comments, so you don't know. Drop your request, drop your comments. Let me know you're watching from, so I can big up a country. You don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.